Hey everyone, welcome back to Krenzy. Today we're making one of the most beloved Filipino dishes, chicken adobo. This savory and tangy dish is sure to be a hit at your dinner table. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for our chicken adobo. 2 pounds of chicken thighs and drumsticks, half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 medium onion, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, optional, salt and pepper. First, let's marinate our chicken. In a large bowl, combine half a cup of soy sauce, half a cup of vinegar, 6 smashed garlic cloves, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Add the chicken pieces and make sure they're well coated. Cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. But if you have the time, 2 hours or even overnight will give you the best flavor. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and smash subscribe to for more delicious recipes. Once your chicken is marinated, heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Remove the chicken from the marinade and pat dry. We're going to sear these pieces until they're nice and brown. Sear the chicken in batches, skin side down first. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once browned, set them aside. In the same pot, add your sliced onions and cook until they become translucent. This takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, return the chicken to the pot and pour in the reserved marinade along with 1 cup of water. Add 2 bay leaves and bring the mixture to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally and add more water if needed. After simmering, taste your sauce. Add salt and pepper as needed. If you like your adobo slightly sweet, stir in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. For a thicker sauce, simmer uncovered for an additional 10 minutes. There you have it, our delicious chicken adobo. Serve it hot over steamed white rice and enjoy. See you next time!